because it's fun
That reminds
for me.
You enjoy it. That's literally what the
This
problem
could be our next one.
No, they would have said, I would have typed
Okay,
out,
let's go,
I
shut
enjoy
up.
Keith.
It said enjoyment and repeat.
Enjoy.
Rude. Alright, here we go.
11:55. The clock reads Wednesday, December 31st. It's about to be New Year's. I've decided to reflect upon my year and be one of the 45% who write their resolutions for the next year. As cliche as that sounds, I like to keep traditions. Since 2012, I've been reflecting upon my years and making New Year's resolution for the next year. 2014 was personally a great year for me because I really accepted things that I couldn't change. I began accepting uncertainty. For the first time, the future being unclear didn't bother me. It just made me fall in love with life even more. I began writing my resolutions, knowing that I wouldn't complete 75% of them. Either way, my top 4 words for my resolutions are risk, opening, living, and action. I chose the word risk because in life you need to take risks. What's life without taking risks? I've played it too safe all these years. I want to go beyond my comfort zone and do things that scare me. Example, I watch TV all the time, and TV is just like a comfort zone that I use if I don't want to feel things, if I just want to like zone out of the world. That's something that I do. But instead, I should do other stuff. And also, I want to take risks by speaking my mind more. I want to be able to express things openly and not worry about what other people are going to think of me. And also, I want to start doing things that I really love, more things that I really love doing. And most of my life, I live it by quotes. That's how I live my life. Tumblr is my life because of all the quotes that I see on Tumblr. And the quote that I picked for the word risk is, only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. My next word is open. And I chose the word open because